number 4 is currently involved in a civil litigation, and as such, the right to apply for bail has been reserved, and at any given stage, should there be any changes, the prosecution will definitely be alerted thereto, and that's all from Your Worship as a court process.
Thank you. Accused number 5.
Court, please, Your Worship. Your Worship, I can confirm that accused number 5 still does not wish to proceed with the bail application. Abandoning his right thereto. Your Worship, there are instructions which are received from the fifth accused, just to place on record. Firstly, that he's been inhumanely treated at the Kosimampuru Correctional Center. Is that he spends almost 23 hours being counted and in his cell.
How long?
23 hours per day, being cuffed and in his cell.
Handcuffed.
Handcuffed.
Every day.
On a daily basis. Worship, I can place it on record that before these proceedings, I went to see the fifth accused in the cells, the court cells. He was still handcuffed, even though he was locked up in a cell, a holding cell. Worship, I believe that indeed those are inhumane conditions. And I hold instructions to make an application to the higher court pertaining those. Secondly, Your Worship, when the fifth accused was arrested in Tanzania, he had valuables in his possession. There's a very lengthy list which has been prepared, Your Worship. I will read same into record, however, I'll provide the court with a copy of the list, Your Worship, for the sake of convenience. For the sake of brevity, Your Worship, I will firstly address the members who were available upon his arrest, and then mention the items which are apparently missing belonging to the fifth accused. Your Worship, from the Special Task Force, there was Colonel Eugene Mieni, Warrant Officer Aaron Kabini. From the SAPS, Constable Pritim Timkulu, Warrant Officer Ntombi Futi Mwandla. From Correctional Services, Jimmy Mduli. From the Department of Home Affairs, Murubini Malaka and Mudiri Matthews, the Chief Director. From the investigation team, Captain Theo Jobo Flyman, Lieutenant Colonel Mojaro, Colonel Nona. From the South African High Commission, Neo Teresa Murweng, Nolutando Mayende Malepe, and Harris Oshopeng. The items which are missing, which ought to be known by these members, Your Worship, are an iPhone 14 Pro Max valued at 36,000 rands, Samsung S23 valued at 32,000 rands, Samsung Z4 valued at 40,000 rands, an iPod 16 valued at 18,000 rands, a MacBook Air 16 valued at 12,500 rands, a MacBook Pro 16 valued at 34,600 rands, a Burberry card holder valued at 15,500 rands, a pair of Burberry sunglasses valued at 11,500 rands, pair of Tom Ford sunglasses valued at 9,500 rands, an HP laptop value 41,000 rands, an LV laptop bag, Louis Vuitton laptop bag, 51,000 rands, marriage ring, 350,000 rands, and these are watches, Your Worship, an APX2, 2.5 million. There were two of those, Your Worship. An FM, 2.5 million, two of those as well. A Rolex O, 2.6 million rents, two of those. Just written as C, valued at 1,750 rents. A PP, valued at 1.9 million rents. Cash which is missing, 295,000 rents, South African rents, Worship. 36,000 US dollars. 7,200,000 Tanzanian, I don't know if they are dollars or what, Worship. And there's Zambian money, 1.4 million. European pounds, 500,000. Swiss francs, 150,000, Worship. Worship, all these items that I'm mentioning, they were reported stolen by accused number 5 at the Lanseria police station. I do not have the case number of the said mentorship. However, I wish and I felt that it was prudent that we put this on record. Court, please.
You thought it was prudent too?
To put these items on record, just to mention to court that upon his arrest, these items went missing, and they are still missing to date. Nobody's taking accountability for such. I will make a copy available of the list court.
Thank you. Is that all, Mr. Mathieu?
That is all,
Anything
Your
else?
However, confirm the date for the postponement, 11 October 2023.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Mathieu. Accused number 9. I just need to confirm that he has also abandoned his right to apply for bail. Is that still the case?
That is still the case.
Thank you. Is there anything else anyone would like to place on record at this stage?
Apologies, Your Worship. I see my client is trying to get my attention. May I turn my back on the court for 1 second?
May I as well, Worship?
With your leave, approach that.
Yes, you may.
So, court pleases you, Your Worship. It's my client's instruction that he had placed a WhatsApp status one time or the other, and that he now realizes that one of the people who commented on the specific WhatsApp status was witness number 14, as per the witness list that he was just given now, Your Worship. With that said, Your Worship, it would be our plea that the state also make the witnesses aware not to contact the accused persons. It would just be for peace of mind that they leave, Your Worship. Now it's as if he has already contacted or had contact with the witness, but it was not instigated or initiated by him whatsoever. That would be witness number 14 as per the witness list.
And your client is?
Accused number 1, Mr. Senohe Ishmael Mafara. And my other client is accused number 7, Mr. Diego Franz Mahotsa.
You will be granted indemnity for that specific contact. It's fine.
Much obliged to the court, Your Worship.
Thank you. Will the state also just make the witnesses known of the fact that they may also not
As it pleases.
communicate with any
As
of
soon
the
as
accused just to
Please.
prevent
It
any
would go a long way.
Thank you, sir.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, may I approach accused number 4?
Yes, you
As
may.
a-
May I also likewise.
Yes, you may, Mr. Kunani.
May I also approach Your Worship?
Your Worship, I beg the court's indulgence to once more tell my opinion.
As a court, please, Your Worship, I will address court once my colleagues are done with consultation. As a court, please.
Thank you, Worship.
As a court, please, Your Worship. Your Worship, the right to dignity is sacrosanct. I've just consulted with my client earlier upon her being brought to this court. And out of the said consultation, it transpired that the manner in which she was transported from Kronstadt prison to this court had all the ingredients of indignity, and it was very inhumane. She was handcuffed, Your Worship, and as she was being transported, she actually questioned the manner in which she was to be transported, as in other instances when she was transported to this court, she was not transported in the manner that she was today. Her protest fell on deaf ears, and Your Worship can just imagine being in the back of a van and just being, you know, if that bakkie or van, if the driver applies brakes, she doesn't have anywhere to hold. She was all over in the back of the van. She registered her complaint upon arrival in this court to the captain in charge of the cells. Your Worship, she was informed by the police officers who handcuffed her and put her in the van that they received instructions from above to treat her in the manner that I've delineated to this court. Your Worship, I've canvassed this issue as well and concerned with the captain who is in charge of the holding cells, and I received an undertaking that such situation shall not recur as she is transported back to Kronstadt. But I wish to state categorically, so Your Worship, that that type of treatment is really unbecoming and really violates accused number 4's right to be treated with the requisite dignity. I also have instructions, Your Worship, to address these concerns sharply with the responsible officers in this instance, and to also have the names of the powers that be who issued an instruction of that nature which we consider to be unlawful. I obtained these instructions, Your Worship, to place these facts before court so that the court may take cognizance of such issues as the court places.
May I take a
Thank you, sir. I have now placed your comments on record. Mr.
I could also
Kunani?
indicate that my client, accused number 6, Mr. Buti Masukela, has also indicated that he did 2 weeks back or so post a message on Facebook, and that the same witness number 14 seems to be quite popular in the media with the Facebook also responded, but the matter had nothing to do with the case. If the same justice that has been indulged a couple of minutes back could also be accorded to my client, that is number 6, pertaining to that particular witness. Court, please, Your Worship.
Thank you.
That will be extended to him as well. As a
We appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm just going to go back to Mr. Matthias' complaint as well, which was lodged earlier regarding the manner in which accused number 4 is being number 5, the way in which he is detained. Yes. I can just make a note on the J7 that he may not be detained in a locked cell with handcuffs on, and just bring it to their attention, and that's as far as I can go.
Court, please.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Mathieu.
On that note, I confirm Mr. Mathieu has handed me a copy of the list that he read out into record, and he requested me to have him sent to the court. As please.
Thank you, Mr. Mathieu. The list that you handed in is marked Exhibit G. If there's nothing else from anyone else, can we just get confirmation of the date from anyone, starting with the legal representative of accused number 1, Mr. Moruri?
Your Worship, I do confirm the date of the 11th of October 2023, and we are available on that date. That would be in respect of accused number 1 and accused number 7, respectively. The court, please.
Thank you. Ms. Wookie?
Please, Your Worship, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 2, and I confirm that the date of the 11th of October 2023 is suitable, Your Worship.
Thank you.
As the court pleases, Your Worship.
Magamedi?
Thank you, Your Worship. On behalf of accused 3, I confirm my appearance, and I further confirm the date of the 11th of October 2023.
Thank you, Mr. Motlaung.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I confirm the suitability of the date as arranged between the defense and the state for further investigations, and that such request is marked final for that purpose as the court pleases.
Thank you, Mr. Mathieu. You've already indicated that the date is suitable. And Mr. Kunani?
May it please the court, Your Worship. Indeed, I confirm that the date is suitable for accused number 6, Mr. Buti Masukela, and accused number 8, Ms. Natasha Johnson. Court, please.
Thank you, Mr. Tebe?
Worship, the date of the 11th is confirmed, finally, for investigations. Is that what please?
Mr. Motlaung, you're also acting for accused number 10.
Indeed, so Your Worship, and Advocate Diba will be coming on record as the court pleases on my instructions, as the court pleases.
And then Mr. Tusi.
As it is a court worship, the date is suitable.
Mr. Janse van Rensburg.
Thank you, Worship. I do confirm the date. As the court pleases.
Thank you. Can I just hear from the state, is there any remarks that you would like to make with regard to any of the complaints that were lodged?
I have to say I take note thereof. I was not aware. And insofar as the transportation issue, the manner in which the accused are being transported, I commit to communicate same to the senior management of the South African Police Services responsible for such transportation. That's all the commitment I can do. Insofar as the missing items, Mr. Mattia already placed it on record that a bracket has been opened on that side, so there's nothing that I can do in that. That's all I wish to say. As a position.
The matter is then postponed as agreed to the 11th of October 2023. That will be for further investigation. Accused number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. All of you are on bail extended on the same conditions as explained before, and you won't be back at this court at 8:30 on the 11th of October. Accused number 4, 5 and 9 at this stage in custody, no bail.
And the court pleases, Your Worship.
It's adjourned.